Hey everyone, in today's 2-Minute Travel Trailer Tuesday, I want to go over this beautiful Tab CSS by Nucamp RV. The Tab CSS stands for clamshell with a shower. This camper comes with a 2-inch ball, 7-pin round wiring with a breakaway brake, removable wheel, manual tongue jack, full-size spare tire, platform up front, with the Boondock off-road package, diamond plate propane cover and battery box with a battery disconnect switch, diamond plate down below to protect the body, handles on the sides to move it around. Over here is going to be our cassette toilet with a 5-gallon cassette, marker lights on all 4 corners, stab jacks underneath on all 4 corners, low point drains, fully enclosed underbelly, 30-amp power cord, all the furnace. Right here is our rims with our tires full of nitrogen, side portal window, AM FM radio with the dual pane windows. Down here is our Nautilus system with all of our switches for our water, outside shower. Now let's get in the back and open up our galley, which has our full kitchen in here. We have pass-through storage overhead with an LED light overhead, speakers, full charging station, 12-volt fridge, microwave, storage underneath, 2-burner stove, stainless steel sink, external propane on the outside underneath with the yellow cap. Over here on the side we have an outside table bracket where we can bring that right inside and use it for the table, as you'll see in a second. Nice tubular style steel step, nice entry door handle. Inside we have a whole bunch of storage, shelves, drawers. Right here is our wet bath equipped with the sink, toilet, and shower. We have our TV, overhead storage, AM FM stereo, pass-through storage, queen size bed. This pops right up. It's a gaucho style bed. Bring that table from outside inside. Again, this camper is only 2,000 pounds. This camper comes with 19 gallons fresh water and 18 gallons gray water. It also is 15 foot 3 inches long, 6 foot 8 inches wide, and 7 foot 6 inches tall. And the interior height is 69 inches. Thanks for watching today's 2-Minute Travel Trailer Tuesday. I hope you like the Tab 320 CSS. Thanks for watching, everyone.